You are going to love 2017 XF. The XF drives very nicely with agile handling and a comfortable ride. Steering is quick and communicative and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.